If you're wondering how you want to use Nova on Photon, I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. First off, you want to make sure you open Photon just like this, and you want to see that the website here is constantly refreshing and finding new values here, right? Now, the thing you have to do is just you have to go to the Chrome Web Store here, and you want to find something called the Nova extension. So just search the extension and theme, just search up Nova extension, find this one, Nova extension. I'm going to remove it real quick just for demonstration purposes. Now you can see this is what you will see when you first find this extension. Just click on add to Chrome, click on add extensions here. Now let's just wait for it to download. Once downloaded, you'll see that it'll be available on our Chrome up here. Now go back to Photon, go to your extensions tab, put a pin on Nova extension. Now open it up and click on enable. Now you can see it's enable. And you can see it'll reload this Photon website, and that's your sign that it's working. And that's it. Your Nova Click is now integrated within Photon itself. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.